Do you remember this date last year? Remember how gross it was, the late July and into August?
Oh, my word.
Woo. Yeah, look at this. We started the month at 107, 106, 105, 105, 107, 104, 105. Do I need to keep going? But that's what we dealt with. I mean, one day below normal, 94 on August 15th there, and then it ramped up again. 2 days at 109, the 17th and 18th. The 25th and 26th were both 110. We ended up setting 10 record highs last August, and it was the second hottest August on record. The only hottest August hotter than this one on record, 2011. If you were around for that summer, you remember how dreadful that summer was as well. So yes, even though I have triple digits in our future, I don't have record heat in our future, and I don't have heat quite as hot as what we were dealing with last summer at this point. But I do have us a return to triple digits tomorrow, 101, 102, 100, somewhere around there tomorrow afternoon. The good news is the humidity once again tomorrow won't be the worst ever. Sure, add a degree or two to the afternoon temps. That is what your heat index will be tomorrow afternoon, but it definitely could be worse. The heat will go up, though. I got 103 Wednesday, 104 on Thursday. That's the peak of the heat this week. And both those temps, while not records, are 3 degrees shy of records. The record 106 and 88 set in 88 on Wednesday, and then 107 set in 1988 on Thursday, and we got triple digits through this weekend as well. Let's check in on Debbie, spinning in northern Florida at the moment. A tropical storm made landfall as a hurricane in the Big Bend of Florida early this morning, but is now decreased to a tropical storm, at least in terms of wind speed. Still dumping tons of heavy rain in parts of Florida and Georgia at the moment. It's just going to slowly move off to the northeast, emerging back over the Atlantic, but really not intensifying much at all, but just a crawl through the Carolinas and then eventually up into Virginia. So just a tremendous amount of rain headed to coastal and even inland Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and even up into Virginia. I mean, the peak of the rainfall kind of from Savannah to Charleston could end up being anywhere from 16 to 20 plus inches, with anywhere from 6 inches to 12 inches to 12 to 16 inches kind of surrounding that area. This storm will not affect us in any way, shape, or form. We will just stay hot. Light winds in Mugga and dry as well. 77 will be your low tonight, and then tomorrow hot, dry with light winds, 101 my high tomorrow afternoon. It's also another ozone action day for your Tuesday. We talked about the triple digits the rest of the week and into the weekend. Could there be a pop-up storm somewhere in North Texas over the next 2 weeks? Okay, it's not impossible, but I don't have any good rain chances anytime soon. I mean, the best I can do is maybe a 10% coverage this upcoming weekend, which means nothing to worry about as the kiddos head back to school next week. Some are back to school Monday, some are Tuesday, some are Wednesday, just depending on your school district, of course, but the forecast pretty much the same every single one of those days. It'll be a hot bus ride, a hot bus stop most of next week or all of next week, with those triple digits continuing pretty much the entire 14-day forecast.